Okay, everybody please mute yourself. Arvind is going to do the Prarthana Shloka. Go ahead, Mahodaya.
Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Guru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
धन्यवादः अरविंद महोदय, वेरी वेल डन।
Very well.
धन्यवादः महोदय।
Let us start the class. So last week we studied Karta Karma Kriya, and then we studied how to identify Karta Karma Kriya, and that was part of your homework. And we saw Karma Padam Bahuvachanam for Pullinga Shabdas. So today we will do it for Napumsakalinga and Strilinga, and then move on to new topics. But before we do that, any questions about what we have read in the last class?
Nothing.
Okay.
Mahodaya?
Yes, Mahodaya.
I have a question on one of the homework thing, when you use Asti and Santi, there is a homework question, Doli. Do we need to use Santi or Asti?
So it depends on what is the karma pada. Karta. Who's the karta? So
Karta is Doli.
So as we saw last time, always identify who the karta is. If it is many people, then it is Bahuvachanam, so Santi. If it is only one person doing the karta, the kriya, then it will be Asti.
So here, Duli, he is like, we don't know whether it is Ekavachana or Bahuvachana, right?
Dhulihi is dust.
Yes. So
No,
it
no.
is a...
So Dhuli is not doing the kriya, right? Dhuli is not the karta there. Well, okay. I don't remember the question. We will look at it because we are going to cover that exact same example today. Okay. So last time we saw that for Akaranta Shabda, if the karma padam is Grantham, Naikavachanam, then in Bahuvachanam, Granthan, Devam, Devan, Agrajam, Agrajan. And for Ikaranta Shabda, Ukaranta Shabda, Shishum, Shishun, Gurum, Gurun, Ripum, Ripun. And for Ikaranta, Harim, Harin, Girim, Girin, Arim, Arim. So let us look at what it would be in Strilinga. Okay, on my list, Arvind Mahodaya, you are first. Please.
You have not shared the screen.
Oh, sir, Chamyata. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Arvind Mahodaya, read the first two lines.
Mahodaya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, महोदय सो एषः कवितां शृणोति एषः कविताः शृणोति
So kavita is a strilinga shabda when it is doing the work, when it is karta. So when it is karma, it becomes kavitam in ekavachanam. In bahuvachanam, it becomes kavitaha. Anupama Mahoday, read the second set of sentences.
सा वीणां वादयति. सा वीणाः वादयति.
So here veena is being used in karma padam for in ekavachanam and bahuvachanam. So if veena was karta, what would be the ekavachanam and bahuvachanam form?
वीणा वीणाः.
Veena veenaha. Because these are karma pada in these two sentences, the form will be veenam and veenah. Manjula Mahoday, read the last step.
Janani rotikam pachati. Janani rotikaha pachati.
Correct. So again, mother cooks one roti. Mother cooks many rotis. So here rotika is in karma padam. So mother is doing the action of cooking on rotika. So that is why rotika is the karma padam. So Manjula Mahoday, if rotika was to be karta, what would be the ekavachanam and bahuvachanam form?
Janani is karta, right?
No, forget about janani, forget about pachati. Just the word rotika, if it is if it is karta.
Is it rotikan?
Rotika, right? Kavita.
Rotika, okay.
Kavita, kavitaha. Veena, veenaha. Rotika, rotikaha. But here we are using it in the karma padam. So kavitam, kavitaha. Veenam, veenaha. Rotikam, rotikaha. So remember we saw balika, balikaha. Yes? Manjula Mahoday.
Yes.
When we learned about Strilinga Padam, we started with Balika and then we learned the Bahuvachanam was Balikaha, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So if Balika was the Karma Padam, then it will be what form? What will be Ekvachanam and Bahuvachanam?
Balika is the karma pada.
If Balika is Karma Pada, look at all the green. So in all the green words are karma pada. So if balika is karma pada, then what will be the ekavachanam form of balika?
Balikam.
Uttamam. Bahuvachanam will be?
Balikaha.
Uttamam. So kavitam, kavitaha, veenam, veenaha, rotikam, rotikaha, balikam, balikaha. Uttamam. So we learned akaranta strilinga and we also learned ikaranta strilinga. So let us look at what will be the forms in ikaranta. So it will be very similar to akaranta. Balakaha kupim purayati, meaning the boy fills kupi, bottle.
Mahodaya, in Pullinga, we have used agaran, igaran, but there is no ugaran.
In Strilinga?
No, Pullinga.
Pullinga we studied akaranta, ukaranta and ikaranta. So ikaranta we studied Hari, ukaranta we studied Shishu, Guru, Ripu.
Okay.
And akaranta we studied Grantaha, Abhyakaha, Pandavaha, Devaha, Grajaha.
Okay.
Banu Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Raj here. Strilinga Bahuvachana Karmapada and Bahuvachana Strilinga itself, both forms are same.
Both forms are same. So when Kupi is Bahuvachana Karta, it will be Kupihi. When it is Karma also, it is Kupihi. Very good observation. So the Bahuvachana Karmapada, Bahuvachana Karta, they are the same form, exactly the same. Usha Mahoday, read the second set of sentences.
Aham ankanim krinami.
Uh,
Aham ankanihi krinami.
So what does the first sentence mean? This one.
Krinami is to write it.
Buying.
Oh, so I'm buying a pencil and I'm buying many pencils.
I'm buying many pencils. So what is the Karta Karma Kriya?
Karta is aham, karma is ankanim, and kriya is krinami.
Krinami. So in Bahuvachana, Karta and Kriya remain the same. Karma changes to Bahuvachana and the form becomes Ankani. So Ankani, Ankani. Same way, Mahila Rangavallim Rachayati, Mahila Rangavallihi Rachayati.
Mother, was it the Bahuvachan in Karta was Kupyaha, not Kupihi. Kupihi. The Bahuvachan is Nadyaha, Kupyaha.
Nadyaha. You are right, Mahoday. For Akaranta, it's the same.
Yeah, for Akaranta, it's the same, not for others.
For Akaranta, you're right. I was not thinking straight. For Akaranta, it is the same. For Ikaranta, Kupi, Kupyaha. If it is Karma, it is Kupin, Kupi. Dhanyavada, Mahoday.
What does Rangavalli means?
Rangavalli means, what do you call it? Rangoli.
Thank you.
So Kupim, Kupihi, Ankanim, Ankanihi, Rangavallim, Rangavallihi. So this is a simple page I put together for you to look at. It's very simple. For Akaranta, simply add Makara, Ekvachana, Bahuvachana, add Aha. For Ikaranta, same thing. Makaranta for Makara for Ekavachana and Ihi for Bahuvachana. Strilinga is actually easier compared to Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Okay. So as Sandeep Mahodaya was pointing out, for Akaranta, Veena, Veenaha, Veenam, Veenaha, whereas for Ikaranta, Nadi, Nadyaha, Nadin, Nadihi. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let us do an abhyasa. So just like last time, what we did with Pullinga, we will do the same thing with Strilinga. So the word in the bracket is you have to make the karma form of this word in Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. So Janani, so Chaitra Mahoday. So Janani Rotika Pachati. So make the Ekavachana and Bahuvachana forms of Rotika.
Janani Rotikam Pachati. That is the Ekavachana. When the then Bahuvachana, it is Janani Rotikaha Pachati.
Uttamam. Janani Rotikam Pachati, Janani Rotikaha Pachati. Viraj Mahodaya.
Ramaha Ahalyam स्पृशति.
Hmm.
ekavachana karmapada strilinga. Bahuvachana will be Ramaha Ahalyaha Sprushati.
Ahalyaha Sprushati. So everybody knows the story of Rama and Ahalya, right?
Yes.
Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Third sentence.
संगीतज्ञः वीणां वादयति. संगीतज्ञः वीणाः वादयति.
Uttamam. So what do these two sentences mean?
Musician is playing the veena.
In
the first one, he is playing many veenas.
Uttamam. Shekhar Mahoday.
सः कदाम् आलोचयति.
उत्तमम्.
सः कदामः आलोचयति.
So वीणाः अहल्याम् अहल्याः कथाम्
कदामः आलोचयति.
Okay, so you have katha here, right? For ekavachana we add sound. For bahuvachana we add ah sound. Katha.
Katah. Okay.
Katham katha. So take this form, add sound for ekavachana, ah for bahuvachana.
Okay.
Sandeep Mahodaya.
Alochati is telling the story, huh?
Thinking.
Alochati.
Thinking.
Sorry. Thinking.
Yes.
Okay.
Sandeep Mahodaya.
Guha Nokam Tarayati.
Read this word again.
Guha.
There is a visarga also.
Guha. Okay. Guha Naukam Tarayati. Guha Naukaha Tarayati.
It is hrasva. Guha, not guha. Guha Naukam Tarayati. Guha Naukaha Tarayati. So Guha is a character from Ramayana. He helped Rama, Sita and Lakshmana cross the river. Guha. Prashant Mahoday.
Yes. Sainikah Patakam Namti. Sainikah Namti. Sainikah Patakah Namti.
Namati. Sainikah Patakah Namati. So if there is no visarga, you have to say the full mark. You cannot cut it short. So if he wanted to say namti, we would have put a halanta marker here.
Okay.
So that's one of the differences between Hindi and Sanskrit.
Namati.
Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahodaya.
So here in this Saha Katham Alochayati, that Mahalanta, it's because it's followed by Swara A, right?
Yes.
So if there was a Venchana, it would be a Katha and a dot on top of Tha, right? Katham.
If it was likhati instead of alochayati, we would have the anuswara instead of the makara.
Dhanyavada.
Astu. Surendra Mahodaya.
Esha Lekhanim Nayati.
Lekhanim.
Lekhanim Nayati. Esha Lekhanihi Nayati.
Uttamam. Esha Lekhanim Nayati. Esha Lekhanihi
Nayati.
Kavita Mahodaya.
सा जननीम् आनयति, सा जननीः आनयति.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. भाग्य महोदय.
What's the meaning of anayati?
Invites or calls. So she is calling her mother, or she is calling, inviting the mother.
Ti Mahodaya, Nayati?
Nayati is carrying or leading. Anayati is inviting or calling.
Dhanyavada.
Yes.
Yuvati malam gumphati.
Uttamam.
Yuvati malaha gumphati.
Yuvati malam gumphati, yuvati malaha gumphati. So it is not fa like SA, it is pha like PHA, gumphati.
Gumphati or gumphati?
What is Gumphati?
Making a garland. Mala is a garland, so the act of making a garland is called gumphati.
To thread a garland.
Much better. Thank you. To thread a garland. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad Mahodaya.
Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya.
Aham Nadim Tarami.
Nadim Tarami. Uttamam.
Aham Nadiyaha.
So look here, when it is Lekhani, then Karmapada Ekvachanam is Lekhanim, Bahuvachana is Lekhanihi. So Nadim.
Nadihi.
Nadihi. Aham Nadihi Tarami. So here Nadi is used as a Karmapada. So Ekavachana will be Nadim, Bahuvachana will be Nadihi.
Nadi. Okay.
Nadyaha if it is Karta. Nadi, Nadyaha will be if it is Karta. But here we are using Nadi in the Karma form. So Nadim, Nadihi. I am crossing the river. I am crossing many rivers. Is it clear, Mahodaya?
Yes. Dhanyawad.
Astu. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Kapihi Ankanim Kshipati.
Ankanim Dirgha.
Yes. Kapihi Ankanim Kshipati. Kapihi Ankanihi Kshipati.
Uttamam. So what do the sentences mean?
Kapi. So a monkey is throwing a pencil. Okay. Ankani Kshipati. Many monkeys are throwing pencils. Oh no, monkeys throwing many pencils. Okay.
Uttamam. Monkey is throwing a pencil, monkey is throwing many pencils. Uttamam. Ranjani Mahodaya. Are you still there, Ranjani Mahodaya?
Sorry. Yeah, I'll unmute now. Sevaka Dharvim Prakshalayati.
Dharvim. Dirgha. Dharvim.
Dharvim Prashalayati. And Sevakaha Dharvyaha.
Ankanim, Ankanihi, Nadim, Nadihi, Lekhanim, Lekhanihi, Jananim, Jananihi. So Dharvim.
Dharvihi.
Dharvihi.
Okay. Sevakaha Dharvihi Prashalayati.
What does this mean, Mahodaya?
Sevakaha is a servant. Dharvi is a pot. No, the spoon. Serving spoon.
Pot is also one of the meanings. Okay, no problem.
Prashalayati is is
Prakshalayati.
Prakshalayati.
Cleaning. Clean.
What is it?
Cleaning, washing.
Clean. Thank you.
So the servant is washing one of these objects. The servant is washing many of these objects. So in this sentence, what is karta, karma, kriya, Mahoday?
Karta is sevakaha. Dharvi is karma.
Dharvim.
Dharvim karma. Karma. Prakshalayati is kartru.
Let's do this again. Who is doing the action? What is the action here?
The action is cleaning. Prakshalayati, right? Cleaning.
Cleaning. So that will be kriya. Who is doing the action?
Yeah, sevakaha.
So that will be
Kartru.
Karta.
Karta. And dharvi is the karma.
Dharvim is the karma. Because the action is being done on this object. So Dharvim and Dharvihi is karma pada. So the object in a sentence, when you have subject, object and verb, the object form, the karma form will be Dharvim and Dharvihi for Ikaranta Shabda. If it was Karta, then Dharvi and Dharvyaha will be the correct answer.
Okay.
Is that clear, Mahoday?
Yeah, very clear. Thank you.
Rachana Mahoday.
एषः कवितां शृणोति एषः कविताः एषः कविताः शृणोति
Uttamam. What do the sentences mean?
Like he is listening to a poem and he is listening to poems.
Uttamam. Okay, any questions on Strilinga?
Mahodaya, where we, when we have to use the makara, we discussed last session. Now here in this rakara, where you have that just the sign on this Dharvi. Dharvim. So is there any rule for that? Instead of using the rakaram.
One second, Mahodaya, let me bring it up.
Dharvim. So where you have the rakara as that's
this line, this arc.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Do we have any rule where we have to use like this or the other way?
I think the difference is between dar and dra, which is half.
Yes.
When it comes down, it is dra. It won't be dar.
No, not below that, but even the ra, like the way.
Okay, I think you are referring to Rukara.
Yes.
Rukara versus Rekha.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we will talk about it. Okay. So let us look at Napumsakalinga. Same thing.
In the same context,
Yeah.
In many shabda I have seen with the anuswara, yam. Not with the yam mukara.
Okay. In our class slides, you mean, Mahodaya?
No, and just in a shabda form, no? Shabdas.
Okay.
In the shabda books.
Okay.
When it is standing alone, they are used the Anuswara, not the Makara.
Okay. If you can take a screenshot of it and send me, then
Sure.
Okay. So let us look at Napumsakalinga Karmapada, Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. Ami Mahodaya, please read these two sentences.
Sa phalam khadati. Sa phalani khadati.
What do the sentences mean?
I'm sorry, could you be a bit louder?
What do the sentences mean? What is the meaning?
So he is eating fruit and he is eating fruits.
She, not he. Sa.
Sorry, yes, she.
She is eating a fruit. She is eating many fruits. So karta is, what is karta karma kriya in the first sentence?
Karta is sa or she. Karma is phalam and kriyapad would be khadati.
Khadati. So first identify kriya, then identify karta, then go to karma.
Okay, so kriya would be khadati. Then karta would be sa or she, and karma would be phalam.
Phalam, not phalam.
Yes.
So karma is phalam and phalani. Uttama. Bala Mahodaya, read these two sentences. Are you still there, Bala Mahodaya? Okay. Meera Mahodaya.
Purushaha mandiram gacchati. Purushaha mandirani gacchati.
So mandiram, mandirani. Phalani. So I will read the last set. Saha yutakam dharayati. Saha yutakani dharayati. Yutakam yutakani. So Ekavachanam karmapadam is phalam, bahuvachanam is phalani, mandiram, mandirani, yutakam, yutakani. Does anybody notice anything peculiar about Napumsakalinga?
Here it is same, karta and karam, both ekvachanam.
Uttama. In karta also phalam phalani, karma also phalam phalani, mandiram mandirani karta, mandiram mandirani karma, yutakam yutakani, both for karta and karma. So Napumsakalingam is always the easiest to learn. Phalam phalani, both in karta and karma. Uttama. Okay, let us do an abhyasam quickly. Narayanan Mahodaya.
Kavihi kavyam rachayati. Kavihi kavyani rachayati.
Kavihi kavyam rachayati. Kavihi kavyani rachayati. Uttama. Ramu Mahodaya.
Balakaha jalam pibati. Balakaha jalam pibati only.
Bahuvachanam?
Same only.
Phalam phalani, mandiram mandirani, kavyam kavyani. So jalam?
Pibanti.
Jalani.
Jalam. Jalani pibanti. Pibati.
Okay. So in Balakaha jalam pibati, what identify karta karma kriya? Rama Mahodaya, in this sentence, identify.
Balaka is the karta. Jalam is the karma. Pibati is the Kriya.
In the Bahuvachanam, what is Karta, Karma, Kriya?
Balakaha is the karma. Sorry, Balakaha is the karta. Jalani is the karma. Pibati is the kriya.
Okay. So forget about Jalani or Jalam for a second. So if it is only Balakaha, then would it be Pibati or Pibanti?
Balakaha Pibati.
Balakaha Pibati. So whether it is Jalani or Jalam, it doesn't matter.
It's a single only.
Because there is only one boy doing the action.
Yeah. Singular karta, singular result.
If the karta is ekavachanam, kriya will be ekavachanam only.
Ekavachanam ending.
Regardless of the vachanam of the karma.
Karma. Okay.
Bala Mahodaya, are you back? Okay. Arvind Mahodaya.
छात्रः पुस्तकं पठति छात्रः पुस्तकानि पठति
उत्तमं छात्रः पुस्तकं पठति छात्रः पुस्तकानि पठति उत्तमम् अनुपमा महोदय
शौचिकः वस्त्रं सीव्यति शौचिकः वस्त्राणि सीव्यति
वस्त्राणि और वस्त्राणि
वस्त्राणि सीव्यति
वस्त्राणि सीव्यति. As we move to new classes, you cannot forget the old material you learn, Mahoday. Astu. Manjula Mahoday.
मर्कटः फलं खादति मर्कटः फलं खादति मर्कटः फलानि खादति
मर्कटः फलं खादति मर्कटः फलानि खादति उत्तमम्.
I have one confusion. If it becomes markataha, it will become khadanti?
Correct. So that is why identify the karta and kriya first. The karma is immaterial for determining whether it is khadati or khadanti. If it is markataha, one markataha khadati. If it is many markataha, it will be khadanti. So let us say many markatas are eating the same one fruit. Markataha phalam khadanti. Is that clear, Mahoday?
Yes, Mahoday. Thank you.
So an easy way is translate this sentence into English, or better yet, translate it into your mother tongue and see how it will be. It will be the same format in our mother tongue also. One monkey eating or many monkeys eating in our mother tongue, the kriya will be different. Bandar phal kha raha hai. Bandar, what is the bahuvachanam of bandar in Hindi? Bandare. Let us assume it is bandare. Bandare kha rahe hain. Kha raha hai, kha rahe hain. Right? In Hindi. It's my broken Hindi.
For singular, you have to say bandar phalam kha raha hai. But in plural form, you have to say bandaro phalani kha raha hai.
Phalam kha rahe hain. So, Manjula Mahoday, I don't know what your mother tongue is, but convert this into your mother tongue, it will be same logic.
Mine is Kannada. So, ಮಂಗಗಳು ಮಂಗ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ, ಮಂಗಗಳು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತವೆ.
ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ is the same for both.
No. ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ is singular, ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತವೆ is plural.
See, so same logic. That's how you remember it. Clear, Mahodaya?
Okay. Clear.
Mahodaya, this is Ami here. I had a question. Could you repeat what did you say earlier when you said Markataha phalam khadati, which is fine, but if it's many monkeys eating the same fruit, what will happen to the kriya pad?
Okay, so forget about the
phalam khadanti.
So forget about the karma padam. If it is, so we don't care. So before we introduce the notion of karma, we learned karta and kriya, right? Balakaha patati, balika likhati, like that. So if you are in doubt, block out karma padam. So markataha khadati, what will it be for markataha?
Khadanti.
Then bring back the karma padam.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Astu. So the vachana, whether the kriya is ekavachana or bahuvachana, depends on the vachana of the karta. So whether the verb is in singular or plural depends on the subject, whether it is singular or plural. The object is immaterial. Any questions? This is a very important concept. Many people make this mistake. So it's better if we clarify it now and make sure that things are clear.
Can you repeat that once more?
So if I have to say this in English, the verb, whether the verb is singular or plural depends on whether the subject is singular or plural. The object does not come into the picture for determining singular or plural for verb. Clear?
Okay.
Usha Mahodaya.
गायकः गीतं गायति, गायकः गीतानि गायति.
उत्तमं. गायकः गीतं गायति, गीतानि गायति. शेखर महोदय.
महिला शाकं कर्तयति. महिला शाकानि कर्तयति.
महिला शाकानि कर्तयति. उत्तमं. चैत्र महोदय.
शाकानि महोदय.
Vegetables.
वाहनचालकः वाहनं चालयति. वाहनचालकः वाहनानि चालयति.
उत्तमं. वाहनचालकः वाहनं चालयति, वाहनानि चालयति. विराज महोदय.
कृषकः क्षेत्रं कर्षति. कृषकः क्षेत्राणि कर्षति.
नी और अणि.
कृषकः क्षेत्राणि कर्षति.
You have to remember natvam. Okay, it will come with practice. Don't worry about it. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
चित्रकारः चित्रं रचयति. चित्रकारः चित्राणि रचयति.
उत्तमं. चित्राणि रचयति. सुरेंद्र महोदय.
क्रीडालुः कन्दुकं क्षिपति. क्रीडालु कन्दुकानि क्षिपति.
क्रीडालुः Don't
Kridaluhu.
forget.
Kridaluhu kandukam kshipati. Kridaluhu kandukani kshipati.
Because this visarga is a clue for us that this is a Pumlinga Shabda.
Yeah.
Of course, in this sentence, it doesn't matter, but visarga, if it is there, you have to pronounce it.
Anumode,
What does this
Kridaluhu is
Shipti
sportsman? Or?
Okay. I heard two voices, one at a time.
Go on, sorry.
Okay. This sentence, what does it mean? This will solve both of
Kridaluhu, a sportsman, player, whatever. Kandukam, ball. Chipati, throwing, throws.
throws. Okay. Thank you.
Sandeep Mahodaya, you had a question?
No, solved.
Solved, okay. Okay, Sandeep Mahodaya, it's your turn now.
Esha karyam karoti. Esha karyani karoti.
Ni or Ani?
Ni, I think. Because ya is there. So Ani, ya doesn't sound. Ani, okay.
Okay. I think you all need to review the Natvam topic once again. Prashant Mahodaya. Prashant Mahodaya, are you still there?
Yes. Aham geyam shrunomi. Aham geyani shrunomi.
Uttama. I am listening to a song. I am listening to many songs. Aham geyam shrunomi, geyani shrunomi. Any questions?
What is Kridaluhu?
A player, sportsman, something like that.
Thank you.
Why not Gayani? Manu Mahadaya, last one.
There is no rekha, right? Between the na, before the na, there is no rekha. We saw there have to be, before the na, there have to be sha, Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Sha, ra, and I don't remember the third one. Ru, correct, ru. Yeah,
and no ka varga, pa varga, and sa and her. I think I thought here also.
Okay. So there is no so I think everybody needs to review the Natvam topic once again. You can have one more homework on it if you want. Okay, that is fine. It will come with practice. Don't worry about Natvam because that is not the focus of the discussion. Is the concept of Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam for Karma Padam clear? This is very, very important. If there are questions, please stop me. If I have answered it 5 times, don't hesitate. I will answer it a 6th time because this is such an important topic.
Anu Mahodaya, I had a question here.
Yes.
You said that Kridaluhu, that the Halanta tells that it's a Pullinga Shabda.
No, Visarga.
Sorry, the Visarga is a Pullinga. It's a notation that it is a Pullinga Shabda.
Not is,
Does
but
it
might be.
Okay. It cannot be taken like it. That's a rule, right?
No, it cannot be taken as a rule.
Okay.
It's based on what we have seen so far, Balakaha, Rajakaha, Kapihi, Guruhu, they all end in the Visarga. So I'm saying don't ignore the Visarga when you are pronouncing the word because it could be Pullinga and in some cases it might affect the sentence. Not in this case, but it might.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Astu. So let us move to a new topic then, if there are no questions. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, who was the last person? Prashant Mahoday. Okay, Kavita Mahoday, read the Subhashitam.
विशालो ज्ञानभण्डारः समयो दुर्लभः खलु क्षणशः कणशः प्राप्ता विद्या योगेन सुस्थिरा.
उत्तमम्. विशालो ज्ञानभाण्डारः समयो दुर्लभः खलु क्षणशः कणशः प्राप्ता विद्या योगेन सुस्थिरा. So Vishalaha, it is Vishalo because of Sandhi. Vishalaha Jnana Bhandaraha. So in many languages we have this sound Bhandaraha, right? This word Bhandaraha. So Vishalaha, wide. So the Jnana Bhandaraha. The collection, the container of jnana, of knowledge, is very vast. Again, samayaha durlabhaha. Samayaha became samayo because of sandhi. Don't worry about it. Samayaha durlabhaha. Samayaha is time. We saw that. Durlabhaha. It is hard to obtain, right? Durlabhaha. So time is something that is very hard to obtain, hard to acquire, or in a broader sense, it is very limited. Khalu. Khalu means it's just an expression. Indeed, like we say in Hindi, right? Hai na, samay bahut durlabh hai na, like that we say, right, in Hindi, and all languages will have expressions like that, that emphasize what we are saying. So, khalu, remember this word because we will be encountering it often. Khalu just means indeed, isn't it? Something like that.
Khalu means?
Khalu
means, Mahodaya?
Indeed, or is it not?
Okay.
Kshanashaha, kanashaha. So, kshanam is a second, right? So, Kshanashaha Pranashaha Prapta Vidya. So, the Vidya, the knowledge that is Prapta, obtained through every second and through every grain. So, basically it means acquired in a painful way, in a hard way, in a step-by-step way. Yogena Susthira. Only by usage, it becomes sthiram, it becomes firm, entrenched in our mind. So there are many learning sources, but time is limited. In order to retain the knowledge that we have acquired through hard work, we have to keep practicing. That is the essence of the Subhashitam.
Bhanu, I had a question. Can you please repeat the last sentence, like word by word, how you explained, like Shanashaha, what does it mean?
Don't worry about word by word. We will have plenty of opportunities to do word by word. At this point, the idea is for you to get used to reading sentences.
Bhanu Mahoday, one question. Here, isn't Vidya the karma, like what we obtain? Prapta.
Prapta Vidya.
It should be Vidyam or?
Okay. We'll do the analysis at some other day.
Okay, sorry.
Bhagya Mahoday, read the second one.
Samam chakshu.
Nasti vidya samam chakshu. Nasti satya samam tapaha. Nasti raga samam dukkam. Nasti tyaga samam sukham.
Tyaga samam sukham. Nasti vidya samam chakshu. Nasti satya samam tapaha. Nasti raga samam dukkam. Nasti tyaga samam sukham. So nasti, we know nasti, na asti, not there. Vidya samam chakshuhu. Chakshuhu is eyes. So there is no knowledge equivalent to eyes. Nasti satyam samam tapaha. There is no tapas that is equivalent to truth. Nasti raga samam dukkam. Ragam is, any Vedanta student? Raga dvesha.
Attachment.
Attachment, liking.
So there is no sadness or dukkham equivalent to attachment. And nasti tyaga samam sukham. There is no happiness equivalent to detachment
Sacrifice.
or leaving or sacrifice. So there is no equivalent to eyes. There is no knowledge equivalent to eyes. There is no truth equivalent to tapas. There is no dukkham equivalent to attachment. There is no sukham equivalent to detachment or sacrifice.
Mahodaya, tabaha means? Tabaha.
Samam.
Tapaha is austerity.
No, which one are you asking, Mahodaya?
Tabaha.
Tapaha. Oh, tapas. We know tapas, right? Tapaha, penance, austerity, like that.
Okay.
Mahodaya, one question. In dukkha, normally the way dukkha is written is da visarga kha.
Correct. So this is how the person who wrote the Subhashita chose to write it. But normally when we write, there should be a visarga. So when we read poetry or things in poetic form, they take a lot of leeway. Liberty. There is an expression in English, right? Poetic license.
Poetic license.
So that's what. Okay. So we will do word by word analysis, whether something is karta, karma, kriya, and all that in a later class. At this point, like I said, it's just a way for you to start reading sentences. So is the meaning of these two Subhashitas clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let us look at one more new topic. In the past, we learned kutra. What is kutra?
Where?
And what were some of the answers?
Atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra.
Anyatra.
Atra, tatra,
sarvatra, anyatra.
Uttamam. So here, there, everywhere, somewhere. So those are all vague answers, right? Somewhere, here means what? Here means exactly where. So that is what we are going to learn today. So we are going to get more specific on the question of putra. Somebody had a question?
No. Why is it in the bracket punaha?
Punaha means again. So we already saw the topic of putra. We are revisiting the topic of putra again. So that's why we put punaha. So I think it was Vijay Sundara Mahodaya's turn. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya, please read.
Kailasa Sikaraha Putra Asti. Kailasha Shikaraha Himalaya Parvate Asti.
कैलासशिखरः कुत्र अस्ति? कैलासशिखरः हिमालयपर्वते अस्ति. So where is the Kailasa Shikhara is in Himalaya Parvata. So if we had not touched today's topic, we would have said Tatra asti, Kutrapi asti, Anyatra asti, Sarvatra asti, something. So now we are getting into more specific answers to the question of Kutra. So where is Kailasa Shikharaha? It is in Himalaya. So Parvate, we studied Parvataha, right? So Parvate, in Parvata. Hemanti Mahoday.
भारतदेशः कुत्र अस्ति? भारतदेशः एशिया खण्डे अस्ति.
Where is Bharatadeshaha? Bharatadesha is in Asia Khanda, the continent of Asia. Khande asti. Ranjani Mahoday.
महाविष्णुः कुत्र अस्ति? महाविष्णुः क्षीरसागरे अस्ति.
Can you guess?
Yeah, where is Mahavishnu? Mahavishnu Kshirasagare.
Kshirasagara is on Kshirasagara.
Milky Ocean.
Deep ocean, is it?
Kshira is milk.
Kshira is milk, Sagara is ocean.
Mahavishnu is in Vaikundam.
Vaikunthe asti. That is also a good answer. Vaikunthe asti. Uttamam. Rachna Mahoday.
न्यायाधीशः कुत्र उपविशति? न्यायाधीशः न्यायालये उपविशति. Upavishati means sitting. Okay. Where does the judge sit? The judge sits in the court, Nyayalaya.
Uttamam. In the court. Ami Mahoday.
Yes. Balivardha marge gacchati.
Balivardha means an ox or a bull.
Okay.
We saw Margaha, we know Gacchati. Can you guess what the sentence means?
The bullock goes on the road.
Uttamam. Gacchati means goes or is going. We saw Margaha. So if we want to say in or on Marga, the word becomes Marge. So Margaha becomes Marge. Nyayalayaha becomes Nyayalaye. Asia Khandaha becomes Asia Khande. Himalaya Parvataha becomes Himalaya Parvate. Kshirasagaraha becomes Kshirasagare. Bala Mahodaya, are you back? Okay, Meera Mahodaya.
Sir, connection is very unstable.
No problem, Mahodaya. No problem, Mahodaya. Catch up with the video. Meera Mahodaya.
Kamalani kasare santi. Is it kasare or kasare?
Kasare.
Kasare santi.
The lotuses
are in pond.
Pond or lake.
Kasare. Pond.
Kasaraha kasare. Narayan Mahodaya.
Hamsaha tadage taranti. Tadage taranti swimming, right?
Swimming. Hamsaha means swans.
On the lake.
Tadage means on the lake or
On
in
the lake.
On the lake.
Hello, Mahodaya, what is mean by tadate?
Lake, in the lake or on the lake.
Okay.
So the word is tadagaha, is it?
Tadagaha becomes tadage. So kasaraha kasare, margaha marge. So these are all Pumlinga Shabda. So that is why in the previous section I said the Visarga is important. So Tadagaha becomes Tadage. So these are all Pumlinga Shabdas. When we want to say in or on that Pumlinga Shabda, it becomes A, that takes the form A. Pustakani Syute Santi. We know Syutaha means bag. We learned it in the past. So the books are in the bag. Sainikaha Simante Rakshanti. The soldiers protect on the border. Simante, Simantaha, Simante.
Mahodaya, this karta, either singular or plural, I mean, Bahuvachan or Ekavachan, it will be the same, like te. Parvate, whether it is Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam.
No, these are all Ekavachana Shabdas, Mahodaya. Syute in one bag. We are all Uttam. I forgot to mention that. We are dealing with Ekavachana first.
Okay.
Sarpaha Valmike Nivasanti. The snakes live in ant hill. Valmike, Valmikaha, Valmike. Can anybody guess what famous name comes from Valmikaha?
Valmiki.
Valmiki. Uttam. Chukaha Vrukshe Upavishanti. Parrots are sitting on a tree. Vrukshaha Vrukshe. Vastrani Udbandhake Santi. The clothes are on the hanger. So, Sagare, Nyayalaye, Marge, Syute, Tadage. These are all the in, they imply in or on for Pumlinga, Ekavachana, Akaranta Shabda. So, Kshira Sagaraha, Kshira Sagare, Nyayalayaha, Nyayalaye, Margaha, Marge, Syutaha, Syute, Tadagaha, Tadage. Clear? Now let us look at Ekavachana Striling. Agnishalakaha Petikayam Santi. So we learned that the name of this is Petika in a previous class, right? So when we want to say in or on the Petika, we will say Petikayam. For Pumlinga Ekavachana, it becomes A. For Strilinga,
Mahodaya, I have a doubt, Mahodaya. Why is you taught us these matchsticks were Agni Petika, but why is there Agni Shalika?
We can say Agni Shalaka means matchstick. We can say Agni Petika also here. Yeah. Agni Petika.
Doesn't that differ? Because if we Agni Petika means fire box, it will say. Agni Shalika, Shalaka is matchstick.
Agni Petika means a matchbox. I think here we are just simplifying it to make it easy to understand. That's all.
Okay, Mahodaya.
So it should be Agni Petika Yam only, but it's easy to read, so that's why we are saying Petika Yam.
Okay, Mahodaya.
Pustakani Utpithikayam Santi. So we learned that the word for a table is Uttithika. So if you want to say in or on the table, we will say Uttithikayam, because Uttithika is a Akaranta Strilinga. Shishuhu dolayam nidrasi. So dola is Akaranta Strilinga, which means a swing. So if you want to say in the swing or on the swing, we will say dolayam. Balakaha varshayam ardra bhavanti. So varsha is Akaranta Strilinga, which means rain. Varshayam is in the rain. The children become wet. That's what the sentence means. So the crucial thing is varshayam. Varsha, varshayam. Dola, dolayam. Uttithika, uttithikayam. Petika, petikayam. Like that. Pakashala, pakashalayam. So whenever you have an Akaranta Shabda, you add yam at the end to mean in or on that object. Clear?
Yes.
So if it is Ikaranta, droni, dronyam, nadi, nadyam, nauka, nadyam tarati. The boat floats or crosses, is crossing on the river, on. So here we are learning the answer to Putra, and the answer will be in or on something. So Vastrani dronyam santi. So the clothes are in the bucket. Droni, dronyam. Nadi, nadyam. Nadi, nadyam, droni, dronyam. Question? Doubt? So petika, petikayam, uttithika, uttithikayam, dola, dolayam, nadi, nadyam, droni, dronyam. So same way, Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga is easy, always, for any form. It's the same as what we saw for Pullinga. Chalakaha vahane asti. So in Pullinga we saw, right, Parvate, Chirasagare, Marge. So Napumsakalinga also takes the same form. Vahane, Patre, China Bhande, Jale, like that. Dware, Tale, Kunchikaha, Dware or Tale Santi. The keys are in the lock or in the door or on the door. Matsyaha Jale Sancharanti. The fishes are moving around in the water. Mishrannam patre asti. The rice is in the bowl. Patram patre. Vahanam vahane. China bhandam china bhande. Jalam jale. Dwaram dware. Kalam tale. Pushpani udyane vikasanti. These are the word for garden is udyanam. Right? So if you want to say in the garden or on the garden, we will say udyane. So pushpani udyane vikasanti. The flowers grow in the garden. Nartakaha mandire nrutyanti. Vijay Menon Mahodaya. What do you think this means?
Dancers are dancing in the temple.
Very simple. Nartakaha mandire nrutyanti. Dancers are dancing in the temple.
In the temple.
Very Bhagya Mahoday.
बालकाः उद्याने क्रीडन्ति. Children are playing in the garden.
Children are playing in the garden. Sandeep Mahoday.
Rotika pishta pachane asti. The roti is on the pan. Pishta pachane.
Pishta pachane. It's a new word, but for us, the interesting thing is A. If we make the form as A, Udyanam becomes Udyane, Mandiram becomes Mandire, like that. Talam becomes Tale, Dwaram becomes Dware. Then the meaning changes to in or on. Clear? So, Vahanam, Vahane, Patram, Patre, Jalam, Jale, Talam, Tale, Udyanam, Udyane.
This was also the same for time, right? At like Vadane, Mangal Vasare.
Saptavadane, Ashtavadane, correct. Mangala Vasare, Shukravasare, correct. So even there, the meaning is on a Monday or at 8 o'clock. So in, on, at, if you want to specify those kinds of meaning, then Ekavachana, Punlinga and Napumsakalinga take the form of A. Strilinga will say, we will add yam at the end. Okay, I don't know where we stopped last time. So let's, Narayanan Mahoday, I think this is your turn. So same exercise. Convert what's in the brackets into in or on form. Narayanan Mahoday, are you still there?
Okay. Dhulihi asande asti.
Dhulihi asande asti or asande dhulihi asti. Does anybody remember this sentence?
Yes.
Asande is chair.
It was there in our homework.
Dhulihi is dust. Asti is there.
So on the chair there is some dust, or dust is on the chair. Arvind, no, hold on. Anupama Mahoday.
Dhulihi kapatikayam asti.
No, don't change the order. Stay it in the same order.
Kapatikayam dhulihi asti.
Why kapatikayam?
Because it is strilinga.
Strilinga. Kapatika. So kapatikayam. We add yam at the end. Kapatika becomes kapatikayam. Dhulihi asti. What does this mean?
There is dust on the cupboards.
Uttama. Usha Mahoday.
Utpitikam dhulihi asti.
You have to add yam.
Utpitikayam dhulihi.
Utpitikayam dhulihi asti. What does it mean, Mahoday?
There's dust on the table.
There is dust on the table. Manjula Mahoday.
Ramaha mama bhaktihi asti.
So mama bhaktihi asti. My bhakti is there. And I want to say it's on Rama or in Rama. So how would I convert Ramaha to get that meaning?
Is it Rame?
Rame. Rame mama bhaktihi asti. Uttamam. Chaitra Mahoday.
Mama bhaktihi Sitayam asti.
Why Sitayam?
Because Sita is Akaranta Strilinga. That's why.
So that's why we add yam to Sita to become Sitayam, to make it Sitayam. So what will the sentence mean?
I have faith in Sita.
Viraj Mahodaya.
Saraswati ikaranta strilinga. Saraswatiyam mama bhaktihi asti.
Saraswatyam. Not Saraswatiyam, Saraswatyam. So we saw Droni, Dronyam, Nadi, Nadyam. So Saraswati, Saraswatyam. So my bhakti is in Saraswati or on Saraswati. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Bhojanam stalikayam asti.
Bhojanam sthalikayam asti. What does it mean?
The food is on the plate.
Food is on the plate. Why sthalikayam?
Because striling akara striling. Akara. Yeah, akara.
So you added yam to get sthalikayam.
Sthalikayam.
Uttamam. Kavita Mahodaya.
Chashake payasam asti.
Chashake payasam asti. Why chashake?
Chashakaha is Pumlinga.
Akaranta Pumlinga. Chashake payasam asti. What does it mean?
Payasam is in the tumbler.
Uttamam. Payasam is in the tumbler or beaker. Uttamam. Bhagya Mahodaya.
Simhe Simha Vane Garjati.
What does it mean?
Lion is
roaring.
Roars, Garjana, roaring.
Roaring. Yes, I was thinking barking, so sorry.
No problem. What is Vane?
Simha Vane Garjati. Simha is Pullinga. Vanam is the Pumsakalinga, so you do Vane here.
Vane. So Vane is, what is the meaning of Vane?
In the forest or in jungle.
Uttama. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Tundam gaje asti.
Tundam gaje asti. What does it mean?
Elephant has a trunk. Is it tundam?
Tundam. So one of the first slokas we chant every day is Vakratunda Mahakaya. So Ganesha has a twisted, so Tundam Gaje Asti. So the trunk is on Ganesha.
The elephant, okay.
Sorry, on the elephant. Yeah, right. Aravind Mahodaya. Aravind Mahodaya.
Sorry Mahodaya, I didn't know the control for unmuting. Mushikaha Ganeshaha Asti.
So Ganesh.
What Mahodaya? Could you?
I am trying to say Ganeshaha Asti. There is Ganesha. I am trying to say Ganesha is on the Mushika.
Yeah. Ganeshaha Mushike Asti. Which also means that Ganesha is on his Vahana Mushikam.
Uttamam. Mushike Ganeshaha Asti. Uttamam. Rachana Mahoday.
लेखनी मशी अस्ति लेखन्याम
Mashi is ink. Mashi means ink. Lekhani means pen. I'm trying to say there is ink in the pen.
Okay. लेखन्याम मशी अस्ति.
लेखन्याम मशी अस्ति. उत्तमम्. Ramu Mahodaya, are you there?
Yes. One minute. Not able to see. I'm not able to see.
Okay, okay. Now?
Mala Sutram Asti.
Sutram is thread.
Thread.
Mala is a garland.
Sutre Mala Asti.
That is true, but I'm trying to say the thread is in the mala, not the other way around. In the mala.
Sutre. Male. Male.
Mala. Akaranta strilinga.
Malaya.
Malayam
Sutram Asti.
Malayam Sutram Asti. Uttamam. Akaranta strilinga, so it becomes Malayam.
Malayam Sutram Asti.
Uttamam. To summarize, in the initial days, the answer to Putra was Atra, Tatra, Anyatra, Sarvatra. Now it is taking the form of Rame, Sitayam, Nadyam, Vane, etc. Vijay Sundaram Mahoya, you have a question?
Fine.
Any questions from anybody?
No.
Bhagya Mahoday, you had a question about homework?
I was just wondering about that Asti, that Dulihi, it's on Asande, Kapatikayam, Utpitikayam, Cha Asti. So can we say, because one of the example in the book, they changed Asti to Santi. So I was wondering, do we need to do that?
So here in this example, we are saying the dust is on the table, on the chair, and on the cupboard. So there is, we are not making the dust into Bahuvachana.
We are not. So just leave it as Asti.
So as we learned today, the vachana, whether the kriya takes singular or plural depends on the kriya of the karta, the vachana of the karta. So as long as the karta is ekavachana, kriya also remains ekavachana. If the karta changes to bahuvachana, only then kriya changes to bahuvachana.
Okay, dhanyawada Mahodaya.
Astu.
Mahodaya, I had a question.
Yes, Meera Mahodaya.
In homework itself, in the 5th question, it is Sumedha Likati, Sulekha Likhati, Surabhihi Likhati. So in this case, I thought it becomes Likhanti, Sumedha, Sulekha, Surabhihi, Cha Likhanti.
Okay.
Is that correct, or you should write Likhati only?
Likhati.
So you are trying to say Surabhi writes, Sulekha writes, and Sumedha writes. Sulekha and Sumedha and Suchitra, whatever the third name. Sulekha, Sumedha, and Suchitra write. So, Prayaha Bahuvachanam, most likely Bahuvachanam.
No, everywhere else it is Ekavachanam.
I have written Bahuvachanam, but then I don't know whether it is Bahuvachanam or Eka, because I thought all the three of them are writing, so it is
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
But if you
look at the next example, na. Saha mama karyam karoti.
If you
saha tava karyam karoti, then it becomes saha mama tava cha karyam karoti.
But here saha is there, so saha is only ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. So he is doing my work, he is doing your work, he is doing your work and my work. So karta is still he, ekavachanam only. So karoti.
So even when it's a name, it should be the same, isn't it? It's A, B, and C are doing the work, or A, B, and C is
are doing the work. It is are only. Bahuvachanam only.
There are three kartas now.
There are three
A, B, and C.
kartas.
No?
Yeah, even I thought so.
Sumedha, Suchitra, Surabhi, Likhanti.
Likhanti.
Okay.
Three people are writing, so Bahuvachanam.
Three people are writing. Okay, it is time to close. If you have more doubts, I will stay back. You can ask me at that time. Arvind Mahotra, let's do Purnamada. Everybody else, please mute.
Mahodaya, can I start?
Yes, please.
Om Purnamada Purnamida Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamada Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवादः महोदय.